We're here at Odawara train station, subway. We're going Tokyo today. The Shinkansen. This is the open area. Open area of the train station. Oh, there's a Toyota rent-a-car here. No, my favorite na rent-a-car in Japan. They have the Shiroyama Tower Plaza. Local taxi here. Sa amin naman, no, we had a parang shuttle service called Hilton. So papasok ka sa train station here. Dito yung mga bakasyonista here. So standard sa kanila yung mga coin lockers. We'll be entering yung Shinkansen here. Pero local na convenience store to here in Odawara. Belmart kiosk. Of course, the more famous are yung Lawson, 7-Eleven, Family Mart. So dito kami papasok. So we're going Tokyo. So yung our train will be departing parang past 12:30 pa. So we're way ahead. Almost an hour. This is yung Shinkansen entrance. Then kung wala ka pang ticket, you buy here yung Shinkansen tickets. What is this? Oh, charging station. Dito yung Shinkansen JR na line. They have their Starbucks coffee here. May tourist information. Saan galing to? Sa taas. Relatively small station. Para siyang provincial station. Ito paakyat. Saan ito paakyat? Dito yung arrival namin. West side, they have coin lockers and standard mga Japanese na station. You did your things. Iniiwan. Mabigat. Ang not yung rate. Hindi yung rate din natin eh. Yan o. 500. Yung red is occupied na siya. The bigger ones, 800 yen. Okay. Dito, mabakante. Doon sa Kyoto ang haba. The waiting area. Here. Ano sila? Going tayo? We're going in, huh? We're going in? Okay. Shall we? Sige. Okay. This is mine. Okay.